silver stackers have weeks till we hit this brick wall. My dealer says it's not months. We are weeks away from this. And he pointed me to this article. Check this out, because we're just weeks away till we're at 2025. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Let's get right to this. This is from Kitco. And look at this. Right at the top, they're being very conservative. This is a conservative estimate. They're stating that UBS still recommends 5% allocation to gold. Now, really, even the most conservative will tell you it's 10%, but I think that's because the all-time high for gold is so out of reach. And they are seeing gold at $29 an ounce easily as we roll into 2025. Now, look at this. This is showing that since 2020, the gold to silver ratio, and that means how many ounces of silver it will take to swap out for 1 ounce of gold. And we've been hovering, yes, between 75 and 90, that range. 75 ounces of silver will get me 1 ounce of gold. But look at this. Since fourth quarter of 2022, both silver and gold prices have rose around, look at that number, 70%. That is massive. And that's why I'm presently, all of us as silver stackers, we also stack gold. We're not just silver. But we've hit the wall for gold already as stackers. When gold reached that all-time high and is presently hovering up there, we're not going in on gold. Who's with a premium? You're looking at easily $2,700 an ounce for 1 ounce of gold. That is a hard wall. That is a brick wall, and no stackers are jumping in for that price. Look at how quick that happened. A year ago, we were at $2,000 an ounce for gold, and now we're looking back at that and thinking, oh, right, it felt painful at the time, didn't it? But now we're looking back at that and thinking, oh, I wish we dropped down so I could buy some. We wish. And this is how it happened. So look at this brick wall. Check this out. This is the brick wall for silver, because we're going to feel the same way we do for gold. That feeling is coming for silver. Look at this. This shows us that, and this is Investing Haven. It's the same article. I'm not going through all the data from this article on Kitco. Just go to kitco.com, check it out. It's really interesting. I'm just showing you my highlights. Now, this says Investing Haven is very bullish. They see on 2025, we're going to see all-time highs for silver, and they're starting with $50 for silver an ounce. 2028, they see it going to $77 by 2030, and I think this is conservative. They're going to $82. Now, look at how that will hit us in reality. Presently, we could still pick up 2 ounces, maybe 3 ounces a week on a regular person's budget of silver. Now, you bring that to $82 for 1 ounce? That is a hard wall for buying silver. That is a painful brick wall for any regular person to be able to pick up 3 ounces a week. It's going to be a hard stop. And this is what we need to, these are the numbers we need to see, because as silver stackers, we're really being, we're comfortable with these low prices of silver in terms of buying. And sure, if we've been stacking for decades and we have a huge hoard, yeah, those at $82 an ounce feels exciting. But to be a stacker, this is a hard wall. Look at this. Check out this chart. This lays it out for us pretty nicely. This is the same article. This shows us 2024. Look, a silver price prediction. They were looking at 34 to 37. 2025, $48. Now that's like a nice, solid jump. Even if it's hovering up to $50, even if we're going around there, that would repeat what we just experienced in the past 12 months. Remember a year ago when silver was hovering at $22 and we were all complaining, oh, silver's not moving, it's not moving, and now we have had a $10 jump. That is still within reach for most of us. $32 an ounce, 33, even 34. But as this really rolls out in 2025, if we're going up to $50, which we've all been waiting for, it's going to be really hard to stack the way we've been stacking. And these are the numbers that we really need to get into our head, because it happened for gold, and that's the pattern. Happens to gold, and it comes to silver. That's the pattern. History repeats itself. So hit that subscribe button. This is the information we really need to be looking at. I post 2 videos a day. I really appreciate everybody for watching. Hit those buttons. It really helps get the information out to everybody, and I'll see you